After this, I'm gonna help break down.
Thanks so much to Jack here on it.
Hi Claire, this is for Robin Leach, VegasDeluxe.com. How are you?
I am well.
So where are you right now? What are your plans?
I am at the vivacious Viva Las Vegas with all of my rockabilly folk and 1950s inspired ladies everywhere. It's amazing.
Have you ever been to an event like this?
I was here last year just leisurely wandering around and going shopping. And this year we have a purpose, and it's to promote our show, Pinup. Yes, this is why I am here.
Also, there's a pinup contest.
There's a pinup contest, which I am judging. It was kind of like last minute to decide to come here. I'm like, let's promote the show. It's Viva. Everyone needs to hear about it. But they told me a couple days ago that I will be judging.
What are you going to be looking for? What type of winner? Well,
this sucks. I hate judging people. Like, honestly, I don't like picking winners. I'm really bad at that. But I guess someone who embodies the era the best. I know what to look for. I'll find someone who really is the aura of a 1950s woman.
Maybe you should be in the contest.
That wouldn't be fair.
That's true, I agree. All right, good luck and we'll see you tonight.
Thanks.
We're about ready. Then we have the lovely, the gorgeous 2011 Playmate of the Year, Starstruck new show, Pinup, which is every Thursday through Monday at 10:30 p.m. Please give it up for Claire St. Clair. And last, please take a bow. Viva more. Miss Lady Nena Moreno. China Doll. Jenna. Athena Amore. Raquel Reed. Tifa. Miss Sydney. Today's contest is brought to you by Mitzi, Viva Las Vegas. Wardrobe, we have Nena Moreno. For the winners, in third place, you guys ready? Third place, Raquel Reed.
Yay, let's do this. Where you at, girl?
Our second place winner is China Doll. While we're crowning those gals, last but certainly not least, our first ever Miss Viva Las Vegas Pinup Contest winner for VLV 16
She's drunk. She's like,
is
I have to get this
Miss Lady Abroad.
You're gonna have to Google that bitch because you can't see it.
We'd like to thank you to our sponsors, Whirling Turban, who I am in right here.
There she is.
Whirling Turban.
Oh, there she is.
Sort This Out Sellers. Thank you to Sort This Out Sellers, and also to Sailor Jerry. Y'all need to buy me a shot after this. We're gonna need it. So thank you. This is our third place winner, Raquel Reed.
Where's the Swedish chick?
China Doll.
Fuck that.
Our runner-up. My name is Miss Rockwell. It was a pleasure.
Show us your
Hope to see you
cake.
guys again next year, not in the dance floor tonight. Give it up, because up next, you know who you're here to see, right? Oh, I can't hear you. Who do you want to you guys out there. Enjoy. Up next, Little Richard.
Hey, what is that, Wayne? Sierra missed. Sierra missed. I think she missed it this time, but I ain't gonna touch her.
Oh!
Sarah, Sierra missed. She missed me.